that's it. And of course, oh, yeah, turn left on the red arrow in front of a fire truck. What? Yield to the left turn, U-turn guy. And plus there's a no turn on red on that sign also. That's a wonderful idea to do that. What the hell was that? Wow, where did that come from? You can go. I think that qualifies as running a red light. This will stop here. And, ooh, red light runner. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, God. You serious? Keep going. Yeah, that was a blatant red light runner. Another one. Oh, shoot. Drop your phone.
You! Get the fuck out of here!
That's not a second.
She's done. You better be. Wait 1 second. Fuck off!
Can't be in the left lane, truck. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, what a fucking douchebag! Why are you doing that? Oh, there's finally a car does it, which they're douchebags. And another douchebag. Oh, shit. Yeah, thanks for signaling, or at least being in a spot where I could see the signal. Ah, douchebag.
When Sissy spreads its hair for the future, not the past. When you have great hair,
can you get all the way into that right lane?
The circus is in town! You know, we've gotten rid of slavery, child labor.
Just runs right through a red light.
Have the circus. Honest.
Stuff. What was that? Right when I hit the button. Failing on this turn. Whoa. What the hell are you doing?
Why today?
What are you doing? Frontier Business Edge knows that if you're running your own business, you're probably doing more
right, you turned out fine. Let that go. I don't have 4 hours.
Yeah, way to signal before you slam on your brakes. What the hell are you stopping for? You was sitting and got on that.
When I bought it in, alright? I did not expect them to give me a new hood cable, but I was looking for some form of compensation, some way to leverage the situation to where I
did
felt
not yield for the
like
stream.
there was a...
No, don't. Oh my God. Get control over your goddamn dog. Whoa, jeez.
And fall in love. How does that work?
Jersey, there's traffic circles everywhere in that state. You don't know how they work? I don't think it works that way. Wow. How badly must you screw up?
I don't have to pay full retail on a $20 hood cable. I'm good.
Wow.
Even if I had to pay full retail on a $20 hood cable, that's not the issue.
Wow, that's pretty late. Wow.
I started to sweat. The curry chicken ran through me like a bullet train.
Wow, I think you had a red arrow. I'm almost positive you had a red arrow. Red.
Advice and help on these types of repairs. When I started the channel, that's who I wanted to help. But you know, over time, I'm doing the channel, and there's a business.
Got a second move over up there. What the fuck? Pull over better. And why'd you do that? Good, why be in the right lane? Whoa! Camper, check your blind spot. Holy shit. I'm gonna include that because it's just a BMW. No, I'm not collecting BMW clips anymore. Oh. Fucking bird. Thinking hit. Come on. Wow, any indication or anything that you're doing? Whoa, jeez. The hell was that?
Baby, if it's boots you wanna knock, leave your chubby friend at home because she's gonna block the door. Now I'm afraid it.
Oh shit! Stay on your side. Crosswalk is
Thank you all very much.
right there. Great parenting.